Hi everyone, if you remember we made the ice cubes of the day and now they're ready. Look at these beauties. Oh yeah, look at that. It's with lavender and blueberry. They already melted. I've been doing a lot of videos, but this is with the edible flour. And this is with the rice milk and chia seeds and so good. This is just for me, so even though I'm always using gloves. Super melted already. Raspberry, blackberries, chia seeds, the rice milk, lavender. Look at this gorgeous one. This was with the purple edible flour. That's so nice. And this is with another edible flower. So I'm going to create the nature drinks. I'm actually going to put also an amethyst crystal, which of course this was fully cleaned, and I'm going to put that right in there. And here, you heard about crystals, how they also just, of course, there's all sorts of properties that crystals add to the water, besides purifying and also positive elements. In general, lavender and amethyst are very calming, very relaxing, de-stressing, and everything from nature, all of the nature elements such as crystals and the herbs, and of course edible flowers, and here we have the stones, just to add to the awareness, first of all, of being around nature, bringing nature indoors, and just in general, they're just really beneficial and healthy, and let's make some tasty drinks. So I put some thyme, and in here I put some cinnamon and rosemary, and I'm going to use some flow water because just to keep it plant-based and alcohol-free, and then some elderflower. Mix that in, and I also made tea earlier with some blueberry, it's like a lavender blueberry sweet pea. It's for the color as well. So I'm going to add that just into here, a little bit more color. And in here I'm going to add a little bit of the elderflower. That's awesome. And the flow water. And I'm going to probably go ahead and choose this gorgeous cube together with the amethyst. That is beautiful. Look how that came out. Doesn't that look gorgeous? For an event. Actually, we're going to also have logos embossed on the ice cubes, so they're perfect for any event. Now, I'm just going to muddle that in. I don't have a muddle, but actually I do. Use that. And let's try that. Wow, it's delicious, yum. It's I'm definitely tasting the elderflower. I'm tasting the lavender pea water that we used in here, and well, the flow water is always delicious and smooth and fresh and clean. Ready for a party. And here I have cinnamon and rosemary. So I'm going to use some copaiba. It's actually where is it? It's almost known to be like the new CBD, so I'm going to just put just a little bit in there, and you have to of course dilute it as well with water, so we'll use some flow water. Beauty away. And for this one I'm going to go ahead and use the gorgeous yellow. I love how that looks together. I'm going to put with a little more water to elevate that gorgeous cube. You can always put 2 cubes, and I'm just going to go with 1. I'm just going to put a little bit more of the edible flower, and look at that beautiful drink. That is definitely ready for a party. Ching ching. What should we have? Nice. And you can also have this as a warm drink as well, with hot water or any beverage for that matter, because the cinnamon is really nice in the hot water, and so with the ice cubes. I mean, anything in there. You just end up having a cooler drink. But with lemonade is delicious as well. So I hope you enjoy, and join me for our workshops, our nature workshops, our nature stations. We can create their nature cubes and all sorts of other goodies, and also for all sorts of different events. For movie production houses, any company that also even wants to present and create more awareness for nature, this is the ideal type of element to have. All right. Thanks for watching.